Hi, and welcome to our video presentation on managed services. The founder of Digital Insyte spent 20 years working for retail service companies. During that entire time, computer service companies use what we now call the break-fix model. When a customer has a problem, they call the service company and usually get some sort of dispatcher. The dispatcher then puts that customer in line to be serviced by a technician. Hopefully someone shows up in a reasonable amount of time. The technician arrives and diagnoses the problem. Hopefully it's a quick fix, but many times parts need to be ordered. Hopefully the part comes in the next day and the tech gets back out and repairs the broken workstation or server. With the break-fix model, the customer experiences the most expensive part of downtime, lost productivity. The true cost of downtime is labor plus parts plus lost productivity. There is a better way, managed services. By exercising some basic fundamentals, we can move our customers from a break-fix model to a proactive model to avoid the expensive lost productivity. Not too long ago, a potential customer told us, "I just want my computers to work." Many business owners understand the true cost of a broken computer to be the labor cost for a technician plus the cost of any replacement parts. But the real cost of downtime can only be derived by also adding the cost of lost productivity or the users not able to do their job while the computer is broken. At Digital Insyte, we strive to achieve 100% uptime during business hours. It's simple. When a user goes to use a device for business, it should just work. Traditional service companies lack a very important component that makes technology run smoothly in a business, the help desk. At Digital Insyte, we have a help desk available for instant answers to the computer issues that come up during a workday. Also, we use a ticketing system that allows tracking of all of your company's computer problems. When customers are in a break-fix model, there is no way to predict the amount of money that will be spent in a year for technology. Does your server crash? Do you need to replace workstations? Both of these things impact your labor costs and make it impossible to budget. Managed Services solves this problem by charging the same amount per month. We have gone to great lengths to develop processes that allow us to stabilize costs. How do we make the devices always available? How do we get into a proactive model instead of reactive? LabTech Remote Monitoring and Management. We put a small piece of software on every device we manage. This software reports back to our central servers. It allows us to continually monitor your devices and alerts us whenever a problem arises. When this happens, we call to let you know about the imminent failure instead of waiting until you call us after the failure. LabTech also allows us to run scripts to automate the fundamentals to achieve a well-operating computer, making sure antivirus is current, running scheduled scans, and applying Microsoft, Adobe Flash, Adobe Reader, and Java patches. LabTech also allows us to automate things like defrags and temp file cleanup. When is the last time your break-fix technician ran something proactive like a defrag? We also use LabTech to report on things that help business owners. We provide reports like hardware and software inventory, patch status, and overall network health on a recurring basis. LabTech also gives our help desk personnel instant remote access into a machine and allows the help desk person to work with the user and immediately solve the problem. LabTech itself is considered a managed service. There are several other managed services that we use to ensure that your devices are always available. These missing pieces ensure that all facets of business computing are secure. The first missing piece we offer is email spam and virus filtering. We are partnered with McAfee's MX Logic to provide an enterprise-grade solution to ensure nothing unwanted comes through your email. In addition to keeping out the unwanted items, our solution offers continuity, so if your server ever goes down, all the email is queued up and available via a web browser. Once your servers return, MX Logic will automatically release the queued email. The next missing piece is web filtering. We use web filtering to keep users from infecting themselves by clicking on dangerous sites. The web has transformed into a very dangerous place. No longer is it that only bad users get infected. Users that use the internet for legitimate business needs get infected every day. Our solution solves this problem for you and ensures that your users can surf the internet in a safe manner. Another missing piece is workstation backup. Most companies back up their file servers only. Everyone is told to save everything to the server. The reality, on the other hand, is that users end up with very important company data on their workstations, not to mention personal preferences that never get saved to the server. We have a solution that backs up every workstation in an efficient and reliable manner. Never lose what's on your workstation again. The final missing piece is offsite replication. Hopefully businesses are backing up. Too often we see that even if a company is backing up, there is no method to get this data offsite. If there is an event that destroys the office that houses the backup, the data is gone. We use offsite replication to our data center to ensure a business's data will always be available even if the backup site is destroyed. With features like encryption, alerting, and immediate virtual access from anywhere, our offsite replication solution meets any business's needs. We strive every day for 0% downtime. With 20 years of experience, we have the knowledge to achieve this goal. If your employees need a computer to do their work, let us take you from an expensive reactive model to a proactive model that ensures your devices will just work when you need them.